Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we will be looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: find the values of x and y. X square minus y equal to 73. Y square minus x equal to 73. So some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos, Shama. Thank you. Okay, the given let us take it as 1 and 2. So here if you observe from 1 and 2, so RHS are same. So you can write x square minus y is equal to y square minus x equal to 73. So here if you take these two values, x and y related values, so x square minus y square minus y plus x equal to 0. Okay, so here what will get x plus y into x minus y. Here you are applying the formula a square minus b square minus of plus x minus y equal to 0. Here you can take common x minus y. So here you'll get x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here x minus y equal to 0. X minus y equal to 0 or x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here we are getting two cases. So here x is equal to y or y is equal to minus of x plus 1. Now if you take case 1 x is equal to y and replace in 1. X is equal to y, replace in 1 now. So what will get x square minus x. X square minus x is equal to 73 we are getting. So x square minus x minus 73 equal to 0. So here a value 1, b value minus 1, c value minus 73. So by quadratic we are using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if you substitute the values here, x is equal to 1 plus or minus root of b square means 1 square 1 plus 2ac, we are getting 292. 4 into 73. 73 into 4. 12. 292 by 2a. 2a means you are getting 2 only. So here the value you are getting 1 plus or minus root of 293 by 2. So here the value of y will be conjugate of this. Y is equal to 1 minus plus root of 293 by 2. So these are the values of x and y. So which are irrational. Now if you take case 2. If you take case 2, y is equal to minus of x plus 1. Y is equal to minus of x plus 1, replace in 1. So x square minus of into minus x plus 1 is equal to 73. So here x square plus x minus 72 equal to 0. So here we are getting factors x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 72 equal to 0. So x into x plus 9 minus 8 into x plus 9 equal to 0. So here x plus 9 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 9. Now y value is minus of 8 plus 1 or minus of minus 9 plus 1. So y is equal to minus 9 or here you'll get 8. So the possible values of x and y. The possible values of x and y is 1 by 2 plus or minus root of 293 by 2, comma 1 by 2 minus plus root of 293 by 2. So this is one set. And here 8 comma minus 9 and minus 9 comma 8 are the solutions. So I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.